Hi everyone, Ray Miller here for Audio Advisor, and today we're diving into one of the most important and misunderstood parts of any serious audio system, the subwoofer. I love subwoofers. Now, whether you're after deep, powerful bass for music or a truly immersive home theater experience, the way you set up your subwoofer makes all the difference. Here's the thing, it's really easy to get it wrong. So today, I will walk you through the 5 most common subwoofer setup mistakes, and more importantly, how to fix them. We'll look at solutions for both 2-channel audiophiles and home theater enthusiasts. So, let's get started. Mistake number 1. Let's start with the big one. Placement. Put a sub in the wrong spot and you'll get muddy, uneven bass. For audiophiles, dropping it in a corner often leads to boomy, overpowering bass that doesn't blend with your mains. Instead, try along the front wall or near one of your main speakers. And you can use the classic subwoofer crawl. Put the subwoofer where you'd normally sit and then play a bass-heavy track. Then roll around the room on all fours, and wherever it sounds the most even and balanced, that, my friend, is your sweet spot. Now, for home theater setups, corners can give you impact, explosions, rumbles, but at the cost of detail. A better approach is placing it along a wall, about 2/3 of the way down, or even on a side wall. Again, the subwoofer crawl is your best friend. Mistake number 2. Setting the subwoofer gain too high so it calls attention to itself, or too low so it disappears. For audiophiles, think integration. Start low and then slowly bring it up. The bass should extend your mains naturally, not jump out at you. If you can easily point to where the sub is, well, it's too loud. For home theater, use your receiver's calibration first, then fine-tune with familiar bass-heavy scenes. You want bass that's powerful and exciting, but still clean and controlled. The fix? Think of your subwoofers as the foundation of your system, like the concrete under a house. You should feel it supporting everything without really noticing it directly. Here's a simple way to dial it in. Play a long piece of music you know well, with natural bass, not just synthetic boom bass. Turn the subwoofer up until you notice it clearly. Now, back it down a little at a time until it blends seamlessly with your main speakers. Now, if you find yourself thinking, wow, this subwoofer sounds great, that's probably still too loud. The right setting is when it feels like your main speakers suddenly got deeper and richer, and you forget the subwoofer is even there. Mistake number 3. Crossover frequency mismatch. This is the point where your speakers hand off the low end to your subwoofer. Let's turn this baby around while we talk about it. Sorry. Okay, and there. We're back. Now, for audiophiles with full range speakers, keep it lower, around 60 to 80 hertz, so the sub just fills the very bottom end. For home theater, your receiver usually sets crossovers automatically. A good starting point is 80 hertz, especially with bookshelf speakers. Just avoid going too low or your mains will struggle. Mistake number 4. Phase issues. If your sub and speakers are out of phase, their sound waves can cancel each other out, leaving your bass thin or even missing. Here's a plain English explanation. Imagine 2 people on swings. Correct phase, or matching phase, is when both people swing together in perfect harmony. Out of phase is when one person is swinging forward while the other is swinging backward. With audio in a room, this produces a canceling effect, so less bass. That's what phase is in audio. It's about whether your subwoofer and your speakers are pushing sound waves together or against each other. And here's the fix. Most modern subwoofers give you a simple switch, 0 to 180 degrees. Some even have a knob for fine-tuning, and many smartphone app-controlled subs make it easier still. Here's the easiest method. Sit in your listening spot. Play music with good bass. Flip the switch if the bass suddenly gets smooth, punchy, and dynamic. You, my friend, have got it in phase. And if it sounds loose, sloppy, or weak, surprise, it's out of phase. And for audiophiles, some preamps do invert phase internally. So if you're an advanced listener, it's worth checking your gear's documentation. Mistake number 5. Using inadequate or incorrect cables. A proper shielded RCA subwoofer cable ensures a clean, hum-free signal. Generic, long audio cables? Well, they're prone to hum and interference. Don't let a simple cable bottleneck your system. Invest in a good one. It's worth it. So, there you have it. The 5 most common subwoofer setup mistakes and how to fix them. Get these right and you'll dramatically improve your system's bass, whether you're listening in 2-channel or home theater. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What's been your biggest challenge with subwoofer setup? Drop your story in the comments and let's learn from each other. Oh, how does this turn off again? If you'd like help dialing in your subwoofer or choosing the right gear, call us at 1-800-942-0220 or visit us at audioadvisor.com. Our expert team is here to help you achieve your best sound. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more deep dives into high-end audio. I'm Ray Miller, and until next time, thanks for listening. And crank up that bass, but not too high.